When do you feel most loved by me, not through words, but through energy or small actions?
I think again the same thing, constantly in that bubble. But sometimes I feel more excited, like me and Siddhant were coming from the class today, and I was like, "Oh, Mama's come to pick me up." And although we had to come here, but it still felt nice. Because she's come to pick me up, and we can sit, and I can tell you all about my class and how it went and everything.
The small efforts.
Yeah, the small efforts. Even if I go out, if I'm out with my friends, and then as soon as I come home, I'm like, "Mama, pata hai aaj kya hua? This happened, that happened," and we're just sitting and talking. You're listening to me about everything that happened, and intently, and you're actually interested instead of normal parents. They're like, you know.
There's such a beautiful thing that I'm able to see here. It's not that you're not showing up in her life. She has actually, giving you that assurance and understanding that you do show up in my life.
Yes.
But even then, for a kid to actually have their parents show up means so much.
So much.
Yes.
Even if they have that security and sense of understanding that mummy papa to hai ya
But
mummy,
still, all those small actions.
that
mean
small
so
thing,
much.
she got so excited to just share that right now. And it just made me reflect that showing up for a kid of any age, even if the parent is brilliant in the parenting, means so much.
The power of small actions, not only parent and child in any
Any
relationship.
relationship
The power
per
of
se.
small actions is very underrated. It's very misunderstood.
सोशल मीडिया में तो और ही ज्यादा, अब तो सब कुछ बड़ा बड़ा दिखाने की आदत हो गया ना,
हाँ, छोटी चीजें लोगों को मतलब ही नहीं
मतलब
रहा
ही
है.
नहीं रखता.
But people forget that it is these small moments that actually lead into the bigger moments in there.
I think those are the knots that tie all the ropes together
Yes.
at the end of the day.
If you're having big blocks but not small blocks to connect them all together,
तब तो मजा नहीं.
then
हाँ,
you
I
won't be
get
able
it.
to build any building.
Anything.
No, no.
Wow.